Welcome to the Stanley Way, friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to upgrade your car's headlights from the old halogens to bright new LEDs from Parts AM. Let's get started. Today's vehicle is a 2011 Ford Fiesta. It has a total of 4 lights, 2 for high beam, 2 for low beam. Today we will only be showing the high beam lights. The type of bulb required for the Ford Fiesta high beam is a 9005. If you're unsure about your vehicle, be sure to use a fitment guide on the website that you're using to order your lights from. The Parts AM lights are constructed of aviation aluminum, an extra large heat sink with a low noise cooling fan. These features allow for an efficient cooling system which prolongs the life of the bulb. Installation is simple. Simply remove the dust cover, grab the bulb, turn the bulb 1/4 rotation counterclockwise, and remove. Grab a tool to release the tabs for the wiring harness. Flat tip screwdriver works great. Once you have those up and out of the way, simply pull the connector and the light's free from the harness. The Parts AM light snaps directly in place. The connector with the Parts AM headlight is universal, so it is possible to install the wire backwards. If you install the lights and they don't work, it's possible that you reverse the connection. To remedy this issue, simply unplug the light, reverse the way you connected it the first time, and plug it back in, and it should work great. Now just simply place the new LED light in the socket and turn it 1/4 turn clockwise. Push the wires out of the way, ensuring that they're not touching the cooling fan, and reinstall your dust cover. Now let's see some comparisons with the new LED lights versus the old halogen. On top is the Parts AM high beam LEDs, and on the bottom is the old halogen high beams. The Parts AM lights supply a bright, focused beam with no dark spots. Notice how the LED lights project all the way to the house in the background. What I really like about these lights are the pure white color tint. It supplies a crisp view in the middle of the night, and it also makes road signs a lot more visible. And if you would like to try these lights out for yourself, check the description for any product links. Always be looking out for discount codes and any other special links in the description. Discount code above is good for 10% off your purchase of these Parts AM LED headlights. Thank you for taking this ride with me, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.